Think crunches are easy? Think again. Most people perform this exercise every week, yet many never get. What if the problem isn't your abs? What if the real issue is the way you're doing crunches in the first place? This is one of the biggest mistakes. Pulling on your neck during every rep places stress where it doesn't belong and takes tension away. If your neck burns more than your core, your abs aren't doing the work. That's a clear sign you're. Another common mistake is turning a crunch into a full sit-up. Going too high shifts the workload away from the abdominal muscle. Using momentum might make the movement easier, but it also makes it far less effective. Here's the surprising part. The best crunch isn't bigger, it's smarter. Start by lying flat on your back with your knees bent and your feet planted firmly. Place your fingertips lightly beside your ears. Your hands are there for. Keep your neck relaxed and your head neutral. Before moving, tighten your core as if someone is about to punch you in the. This abdominal brace creates stability and prepares your abs to generate force throughout the exercise. Think of your core like the foundation of a skyscraper. The stronger the foundation. Now begin the crunch slowly by lifting your shoulders off the floor. Instead of thinking about moving upward, think about bringing your ribcage closer to your pelvis. Notice how small the movement is. You don't need a huge range of motion. At the top, your abs should feel fully engaged. This is where the real work happens. Pause briefly and focus on squeezing your abdominal muscles as hard as possible. Lower yourself back down slowly. Every inch of the movement should never bounce or drop back to the floor. Controlled rep. A helpful cue is to imagine holding a tennis ball between your chin and chest. When your neck stretches too far backward, unnecessary tension builds and your form. On the other hand, tucking your chin too much can also create neck discomfort and limit movement. As you crunch upward, exhale slowly. Proper breathing helps your. The better your mind-muscle connection, the more effectively your abs will. Ready for an advanced tip? This small adjustment. At the very top of the crunch, actively squeeze your abs for an extra second before lowering down. Imagine squeezing a sponge. The stronger the squeeze, the greater. Now it's your turn. Try 10 perfect crunches using these techniques and feel the difference. Let's review. Brace your core, keep your neck neutral, lift with control, squeeze at the top, and lower slowly.